Can I just open up this video with a proper hello? Because I have not done one of these in quite a while. So here we go. I want to say hello to you, the sexiest, scrumptious, devilishly delicious, amazingly temptatious, fine hunk of honey glazed ham I have ever seen. How are you today? Or I should say, have never seen. I am in quite the mood. I have emerged from my turkey coma. For those of you that do celebrate Thanksgiving, I would like to wish you a happy belated Thanksgiving. And for those that don't, I hope you had a beautiful day. What are we doing today? I am losing my mind, and we are going to go dive into 31 colors on one single Dutch pour. Now, this is going to be extremely interesting, and I hope that it works. I have a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. Now, like I said, I have a smorgasbord of colors here. I will list them in the description. When I lay them on the canvas, I'm going to have to do time lapse because it's going to take me a long time, because with this many colors, you got to do a little tiny section at a time of each color. So I have a beautiful array of purples, blues, and greens. I have a couple of primary elements in there. I have a couple of prism pour colors in there. I have a couple of regular metallics. So it is going to be very interesting, to say the least. So the first thing I need to do is I need to set up these paints in some type of order. I'm thinking that I'm going to go with green on the bottom, blue on the top, and then the next layer up, blue, then maybe the metallics, and then the pinks and magentas and purples up on the top. I want to try to keep my green and purple away from each other because that could make mud. So we're going to figure this out together. I've never done anything like this, so fingers crossed it will work. Let me set up and I'll be right back. So, I wonder how many of you are out there taking bets that I am going to spill one of these paints all over the place. I'm telling you, it's a high probability that that will happen when I go to put my base paint down. Anyway, I am going to do the base paint and the colors, just laying them out on time lapse, because like I said, it's going to take a long time. But when it comes time to blow things out, I will do that normal rate and I will talk through it, okay? The recipe also will be in the description for this, along with hopefully all of the color names, if I can remember all of them, because some of them I had leftovers when I did an acrylic pour and just put them in a container to store them, but I'm pretty sure I know all the names of them, but just by looking at them, okay? So here we go. Alrighty, they're all on there. I'm pretty sure they are. I looked at the cups to make sure I didn't miss any. And as long as they had the pour mark going up the side, that's how I knew I used them. So I need to start blowing some stuff around here. This is probably way too much paint. We're going to try it out. Before I start, let me introduce you to Harry. This is Harry. As you all know, I named my blow drying tools. This is my big boy. I would use Flo, but her concentrator is a little too small for this size canvas, as you can see. So the fans I would have to do too many fans on a big canvas like this. This I like for like a 12 by 16, or even this if I was doing it the other way, if I was doing it portrait, it would work good, but I got to bring out the big guy for this. So I'm putting him on low, cool, and here we go. I'm nervous. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. I'll worry about those ends in a minute. Actually, no, maybe I'll blow it out now. Next, I don't like standing in front of the painting and blowing towards me. I always get nervous. Plus, this guy is pretty long, so hard to aim it that way. Oh, very, very pretty. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, as long as I don't screw it up, we'll be good. This worries me. There's a lot of paint there. And my canvas is not level, I could tell. So. It's like a dance, you know, you walk back and forth around the table but what I'm going to do, so hopefully this doesn't come off of the canvas, is I'm going to try to lift it up a little bit. I leveled my canvas, but then I moved it and forgot to check it. This is really, really beautiful right now. Wow. Oh, this one's going to go off, though. I know it. Even if I level it. Or lift it up, I should say. Let's see here. I'm going to have to try to push it back with a little bit of white paint and try to blow it out if it goes over. But wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wait till you see the close-up of this one. Beautiful fans. Beautiful fans. Wow. Oh, I don't want that to go off. Let me see if I take a little bit of white paint, because I already know it's going to go over the edge. Even if I keep wiping it. Try to push it back a little bit. So I could always redefine it if I have to. So I'm kind of just like almost erasing some of it with the white paint. Let me see little Flo here. Now this is where she comes in. See if I can push it back a little tiny bit. See that? I'm telling you, these blow dryers, I absolutely love them. Absolutely love them. In my Amazon shop, this one, and I'm going to, this one I got a while ago. I'm going to see if it's in Amazon, and if it is, or something that is similar that has the same exact nozzle. That's the important part, the nozzle, not the blow dryer. That's an 1875 watt. This is gorgeous. Let me just shut up and show it to you. I don't care if I have to sit here all night and babysit this. I'm going to try to. Wow. Ah! I shut that light off. I do apologize for that being a little bit on the canvas, but there's nothing I could do. I had to film at night because it's, you know, it's the only time I can do it. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy that I tried this. I kept saying to myself, why bother? It's going to turn into mud. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. Is that even a word? Beautifulness? Wowie. Now that is one to write home about. So if you enjoyed the video, please click like. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Tomorrow on my other channel called the Official Resin Channel, I am doing the drawing for the giveaway. Well, that's actually today. You're going to be seeing this today, so that drawing will be out later the same day. Friday evening sometime I'll release that video. It's not a live drawing. There's just too many comments for me to write down everybody's name and pick one from the hat. So I have to use a comment picker at this point. But if you are not subscribed to that and you're interested in learning how to do resin, head over to the Official Resin Channel and check me out. I put a new video up every Friday. If you are interested in joining a Facebook group, there's United We Pour Fluid Art Group. There are a bunch of really awesome people in that group. I talked to a lot of you there. It's just such a pleasant experience. You can get help. I'm in there posting all the time, and so if you're looking for a fun group to hang out in, come check us out at United We Pour Fluid Art Group. You can follow me on Pinterest, on Etsy, on Instagram, on Facebook. All the links are in the description. If you see something that you like that I have created and it's not in my Etsy shop, you can just email me at artbytammy@yahoo.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. I absolutely love it. And until next time, my friends, happy pouring. Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you a couple of paintings, how they turned out from the last couple of videos. So this one was the first one I did with my new mini blow dryer named Flow. If you have not seen that yet, you will see it in this video again. I cannot stress how well this thing works for the Dutch pour. I absolutely love it. This has 1 coat of resin on it. Not that you can really see it, but it does. And it is available for purchase if anyone is interested. It's a 12 by 12 on a gallery wrapped canvas. And I just think it's beautiful. So that is the first one. Then we had this 18 by 18. As you can see, it has a coat of resin on it. Again, dried perfect. This one is really, really pretty. This is available for purchase also on a gallery canvas. Now, the two that I've shown you so far, they just have 1 coat of resin. They will get another one. Let me just show you a little bit of this color. I really love this one. Alrighty. So we have that. Next thing I want to show you really quick, if you're interested in seeing how I made this resin ocean, that is now on my Resin Channel. And in this video, I teach you how to create 3D waves, as you see here. That is also available for purchase.